Well, with us at the red carpet of the inaugural International Film Festival of Delhi, we have, of course, veteran filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor. Many thanks for speaking with us. How was the experience for you coming to the first edition of IFFT? Of course, you've been to film festivals across the world and the country, but how does it feel coming for a first here?
It's very exciting, and I come from Delhi, so it's like a homecoming for me. Oh, घर का बुद्धू घर को आया वैसे ना उल्लू नहीं होते. It's like, no, I find it very exciting, and I see this as something that is going to develop because there's a huge cinema appreciating audience here, and I'm surprised by the number of institutions that have come up in Delhi that teach the creative arts. So we need a huge festival. It can become very popular and become one of the leading festivals of the world, I hope. Yeah, so.
Also, sir, you've been to so many festivals. How much do you get inspired by coming to festivals like this or at the world and also watching global cinema here too?
Yeah, watching cinema is really important. And listening to those directors that think differently and have brought different kinds of cinema to all over the world, that's very instructive. But I learned cinema by watching films. I didn't go to film school. So watching global cinema is really, really important for filmmakers.
You recently, of course, did a film in the United Kingdom that had Indian actor Shabana Azmi too, and actors from the West. Jemima Goldsmith was a producer. You were, of course, the director. So it clearly showed how collaboration can happen. Here too, multiple Spanish Film Commission is here. Singaporean, I think a delegation is arriving tomorrow. Do you hope through this collaborations can happen as well between India and these countries?
That's how it always works. That's what film festivals are meant for, everybody to tell them each other their own story. So their stories come to us, our stories go to them, and in the mix we form new stories. We are the stories we tell ourselves, so we get to know. That's how we cooperate with people.
AI and films, this is something that has become the talk of town these days. How is AI going to impact filmmaking? Is it a boon or a bane?
It's different, okay, but it's the most democratic technology it has in every way, in society, not just in film. And it's lowered the barriers. So somebody says, "Arey, that film is too expensive, I can't make it till I have a star." What that times cost, say, 500 crores was the cost, maybe you'll bring it down 50,000 rupees. That's what AI can do. It's a it's a tool of democratization of filmmaking.
Well, Manoj Bajpayee was here yesterday, and this year marks 32 years since Bandit Queen.
Yeah.
Special project, sir.
Think about it. To me, it feels like yesterday. Yeah.
Finally, Masoom reprise. Are you starting work on that soon? How soon could we see it?
I'm doing Masoom, The Next Generation. That's my next film.
And what's the kind of timeline we're looking at? Have you started the pre-filming, sir?
Start shooting in about May or June. Yeah.
Looking forward to that, sir. Thank you very much for
speaking. Thank you.
Journalist Himanshu Pratap Singh in Delhi, NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.